Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi email sequences. Email sequences are a powerful automation tool that lets you send a series of timed emails to your audience, perfect for onboarding new subscribers, nurturing leads, or delivering course content automatically. To get started, open your browser and head to your Kajabi login page. Sign in with your credentials and you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. If you're working with a custom domain, make sure you navigate to the correct site where you want to set up your email sequence. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your marketing tools. From that expanded menu, click on Email Campaigns. This is where all your email broadcasts and automated sequences live, giving you full control over your email marketing strategy. Now look toward the top right corner of the Email Campaigns page. You'll see a button that says Plus New Email Campaign. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear giving you two options, email broadcast or email sequence. Since we're setting up an automated sequence, click on email sequence. You'll then be prompted to add a sequence title, something descriptive that helps you identify this sequence later. Once you've entered your title, click continue. You'll now be redirected to Kajabi's email sequence template library. Scroll through the available templates and take your time choosing one that fits your goals. When you find a template you like, click on it to open an overview menu. This menu shows you the template's design and composition, giving you a preview of how your emails will look. If you're happy with what you see, click the Get Started button at the bottom. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a title for your email sequence. Type in your title and hit Create. You're now inside the email sequence editor where the real customization happens. Fill in the required fields, starting with the day and time you want each email to be sent. Enter an internal title for organizational purposes, then craft a compelling subject line that will grab your audience's attention. Scroll down to see the full email body and make any edits you need to personalize the message. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Save. And that's it, you've successfully set up an automated email sequence in Kajabi. This feature takes the manual work out of follow-up emails and keeps your audience engaged on autopilot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.